Today I'm sharing the 5 products I cannot live without, all under $5, all linked below, all from the drugstore. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here today because this episode is going to give you lots of goodies, save you lots of money. You're gonna be stoked. Today I'm basically sharing with you my 5 must-have products that I absolutely cannot live without. All of them are under $5 and all of them are available at your local drugstore. I did also link them through Amazon below if you just wanna buy it all online, whatever floats your boat. Let's start with number 1. This guy. This is called a Buff Puff. So a bizarre name, but it is a gentle facial spongeroo. Now, the reason I love this so much is number 1, I have it from Amazon on a subscribe and save situation. So it's $4 and I get one every month. That way I automatically know to throw out my old one and put in a new one. Now, the way that I use this is in the shower or the bath. It gets a really good lather. It gets a really good exfoliation. It really deep cleans your face, almost like a Sonicare would, which gets that really good exfoliation, dead skin cells come off, helps with pigmentation, brightening, all of that really good stuff. What I like is that when I use it in the bath or the shower, I'm not trying to not get my hair wet. You know when you wash your face at the end of the night, you're sort of like, you're washing, but you're kind of like, you know, you're not trying to get all of this wet because you're not washing your hair at night. You don't want to like get soapy suds into your hair. So when I do it in the shower or in the bath, I mean, it is like a free for all. I am like scrubbing my ears, the back of my ears, under my nose. I mean, I go nuts with it. And I have noticed that my skin tone has really evened out, way less blackheads, way less blemishes. And for $4, like to me, it's just a no-brainer. I absolutely love it. It's become an absolute integral part of my skincare routine, and I really have noticed the difference since starting to use it. My skin feels really soft, so makeup application is really good. That consistent exfoliation is just money. So this is something I absolutely love and recommend. Major. Now, another one is probably a question I get the most on social media, which is, what is that lip gloss? Hey, what's the name of that lip gloss? Can I get that lip gloss? What lip gloss are you wearing? This is pretty much it all the time. It is Rimmel Stay Glossy. The color that I like is called Sippin'. And the reason I like it so much is that it has a lot of pigment, yet it somehow appears sort of sheer. I don't really know how that works. It's a really good peachy pink tone. And so I like that because it's got enough opaqueness to it, I can almost overline my lips with it a little bit, which I like to do. If you follow me on social, you saw I had lip filler done, hated it, had it all removed, but I do like a slightly overlined upper lip. So for me, I like being able to use this lip gloss, a softer overlined look. It has enough pigment that it really shows up, but it also is like soft enough that it's not like a really intense color where your lips are like, so even as your lipstick is fading, you don't end up with like weird cakey situations. It just sort of starts to fade off in a really beautiful way. So this is my must have. I love this lip gloss. Product number 3. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna add into this one. We're gonna pretend that this is one so that I can call this video 5 under 5. This is my go-to lip liner. It's by NYX Nude Suede Shoes. Nude is obviously relative to your skin tone. If you have a skin tone similar to mine, this is a really great nude pencil. It's a sharpener, which normally I don't like. I like the ones that are kind of retractable, so I don't need to sharpen it. But to me, it is the best color, and it's the best wearing. Like it fades really pretty. It blends in with lipsticks really well. It layers under lip glosses really well. This is the color that I like, but you can obviously look for something that maybe matches with your skin tone if this isn't right. But major love this, and sometimes I layer the two together. Now, my third product that I love is another beauty one, and it is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Now, I originally got this as a dupe for Tarte Tape. Whatever that one is. Yeah, Tarte Tape, which is like a pretty pricey cult favorite under eye highlighter concealer situation. And I got this as a dupe. This is all I use now. Totally replaced my other ones, not only because it's $4, but just because I actually like it better. It wears really well. It does not get cakey at all. I like that the applicator is kind of like big and fat and chubby. I don't know why, but I really enjoy that. What I will say is that it comes on looking really light. Like this color that I got is medium sand, and in the box, it shows sort of a darker shade, and this looked really light. And I was like, is it this shade or is it the shade on the box? The shade on the box was the right color, but when it goes on, it does look really light, but then somehow it like adjusts. Like it either thins out or blends out. I don't really know how to describe it. When I first put it on, I'm like, what the heck? And I tried to blend, I'm like, whoa. But then all of a sudden it just like, the more you work it in, it sort of blends in really, really well. And it just gives you that really nice brightness that lasts all day. So absolutely love this. It's a great dupe if you're looking for a new concealer. And again, it's like $4. Okay, product number 4, Maybelline Lash Sensational. Now I have used Maybelline mascara my whole life. I used to use the Maybelline Falsies. That was like my absolute go-to for years. And I ended up buying this during early quarantine when we couldn't go shopping anywhere. And this is the only one I could find on Amazon. So this is what I bought. And now this is just what I use. I absolutely love it. To me, it gives me really, really great like definition between my lashes. It gives a lot of the product gets applied, but like smooth. So it's not clumpy, but it's not like featherweight. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's really, really great. The application feels really good. There's got enough of those little like spokey things in the applicator that you can kind of get under there and like do the little like wiggle detangle. So it stays really, you know, your lashes look super long. So this is the mascara I absolutely love. If you can't get this Lash Sensational, I mean, I'll link it, but if you can't get it, the Falsies is another really, really great option. I don't use waterproof because I don't like to have to wrestle with my eye makeup at night. So I use regular and I use Blackest Black. Really, really awesome. Highly recommend it. All right, and listen, if you guys are liking this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend that you think might enjoy some of these products. And if you are brand new, I hope you'll subscribe because I'm doing 2 videos a week. And man, would that give me a little boost of energy that I could use because it's a lot of work. Okay, on to the next product. The last one is another lash situation, and it's called the Ardell Lash Trios. Now, the reason I like it is if you're someone who doesn't have the need for like a full strip of lashes all the time, I like the fact that they're like individuals, but because they're in trios, you don't need as much. So you can see like, you know, that's like, you could get away with really just maybe 2. You could put like 1 here and 1 here, or you could do a full eye. I did them on my full eye today. Let's see if you can see. I did them like fully everywhere. And the reason that I love them so much is you don't need glue. Now, I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, but they are. So when you peel them off, you'll see like a little bit of clear adhesive that looks like it really all it's doing is it's connecting the 3 lashes together, right? That's kind of what it looks like it's doing, but it is tacky. So what I've found, what works incredibly well is I put it on and then I take a tweezer and I like smush them into my lashes and sandwich it. Not only do I feel like it makes that clear adhesive become really clear so it disappears and you don't like see it, but it fuses them in with my lashes and then they're like on. They're on really well. So to me, this is a really great super user-friendly version of lashes. If you just want a little bit of flutter and you don't want like a full strip, adding a couple of these, I would say the shorts and the mediums are gonna be the best. The longs are long. I'm gonna link some below. That's like a packet of them. So the packet is like 14 bucks, but it's because there's like 4 or 5 within the packet. Normally a box of these are under $5. The last thing that I would do after you put lashes is I would curl them all together. It's really not only gonna lift your existing lashes that have your mascara. I like curling my lashes after I apply mascara, after it's fully dry is key. And it almost like really lifts them and keeps them there. But if you do it, apply mascara, apply your lashes, make sure your mascara is dry, then get in there and curl them all together. It fuses the trios in with your existing lashes and lifts everything. So then you get that really great like lift where it's staying up and it's not, they're not like separate from each other. So you can see it creates a lot more kind of shape. I hope you can see that. I'm not a beauty blogger, although today's video is very beauty bloggery. So those are my 5 favorite must-have products. The buff sponge to keep your skin looking fresh and bright and your tone even and reduce blemishes, and a smooth application for all of your skincare and all of your makeup. Then my like go-to lip, which is the NYX lip liner in Nude Suede Shoes, and the Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss in Sippin', which just gives your lips this like bodacious, beautiful pout. Then the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Again, my color is medium sand. If you're similar to me, you can kind of use that as a barometer for where you want to go with that color, but man, I absolutely love it. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara is going to give you tons of volume, really thick black, looks great, tons of lift. And then lastly, the Ardell Lash Trios. I like short and medium, and I just think that they're so easy for everyday use, or if you're someone like me and a content creator and you need to layer up some more for some more like intense makeup, they're really, really easy to layer, and you can go as bodacious or not as you want. Those are my 5 products under $5. Everything will be linked below if you guys do want to buy them on Amazon, but if not, you can hit up your local drugstore or Ulta, wherever you want to go. I hope that you guys liked this video, and I've got another great DIY for you on Friday, so I will see you guys next week. Have a beautiful rest of your weekend and a beautiful start to your week. I love you all so much. Thanks for being here.